President Marcos will be in Cebu this afternoon to launch Oplan Kontra Baha. And for details, we have one new Cebu desk, Dale Israel. Dale, okay, sino-sino ang mga kasama ng presidente dyan? At ang pangalan ng lugar ay, tama ba, Mahiga Creek near the M. Logarta Bridge.
Tama, Lord. Maayong hapon, Lord and Denise. We are reporting here from Cebu, where President Bongbong Marcos is actually in the province today for the launch of the Oplan Kontra Baha, a major initiative aimed at cleaning and declogging the rivers of Metro Cebu. The program kicked off through a clearing of waterways that have long been identified as contributing factors to the widespread flooding that recently affected the province. The ceremonial launch was held earlier at the Mahiga River, a major tributary of the Butuanon River, with the President are DPWH Secretary Vince Dizon, Governor Pamela Baricuatro, Cebu City Mayor Nestor Archival, Mandaue City Mayor Jonky Owano, along with other top officials and top local officials of Cebu. The river cleanup includes dredging operations, drainage declogging, and the removal of obstructions to restore the water flow. Heavy equipment such as bulldozers, 6x6 trucks, and backhoes have already been positioned on site to begin the work. The visit comes as Cebu continues to recover from the devastating floods brought about by Typhoon Tino, which have already claimed 141 lives, with 44 individuals still missing. Officials have also recorded 1,600 injuries. More than 129,000 homes have been damaged, with most of those affected areas include Liloan, Balamban, and Cebu City. Upland barangays in Cebu City remain without water, while large parts of Liloan, Tabogon, and Camotes Grove Islands continue to suffer from major water supply disruption. As early as this morning, DPWH personnel already began clearing operations there at Mahiga Creek ahead of the official launch of this Oplan Kontra Baha, which will also build dams at upland barangays in Cebu City. Officials say the program aims to address also long-standing gaps in the implementation of flood mitigation projects and reduce the region's vulnerability to severe flooding. Back to you, Lord.
Dale, can you tell us about the situation of that particular creek during the last typhoon? At gaano ka, yan ba ay tumaas talaga yung tubig niya sa area na yan?
Lord, Mahiga River is always flooded every time there is a heavy downpour here in Cebu. Yung Mahiga is the boundary between Cebu City and Mandaue City, and umuulan, bumabaha talaga yung Mahiga River. Ito ay directly going into the North Reclamation Area of Cebu City, na kung saan ay mataas din yung tubig pag bumabaha, Lord.
Ayun. So maraming basura at maraming mga, let's say, mga kung ano-ano mga nakabara ang nandyan. Ano? Tita Denise, may tanong ka kay Dale.
Dale, saan nga ulit? May pupuntahan nga ba ang presidente after nitong Oplan Kontra Baha launch niya?
After the launch, the President will be going to the Shangri-La Resort in Mactan Island, where there will be the Asia-Pacific Regional Space Agency or Space Agencies Forum that will be held there at Mactan Resort or the Shangri-La Mactan Resort in Mactan Island.
Yeah, Dale, yung particular part na yun ng Shangri-La, yung sa Mactan, ano, puro Hotel Rose yan no? Marami bang na-damage din dyan? Ang ironic dyan, may mga hotels, magkakatabi halos, tapos may mga housing na maliliit na nakatapat niya lang halos across the street lang. May mga nadali ba dyan, Dale?
Sa Lapu-Lapu City, there's no casualty reported in Lapu-Lapu City, and the residents in the area are among those that are safe from during Typhoon Tino, Lord.
Alright. Maraming salamat. Ang ating man in Cebu, si Dale Israel, One New Cebu Desk. Thank you, Dale.